Who's that mirror right now?
Dude, what the f are y'all doing?
Why are you on my ass? What is? Going the speed limit? How about that for some bull? Oh my God, are you serious? Hey, oh my God, are you serious? Hey, KDT 3116. I got that shit all on camera, you stupid. Go get her! Go get her! Where's she at? Yeah, I got that shit all on film. Good job. Hey, that does it. That's attempted murder. That's attempted murder. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. Telling me for driving behind you on a road with a safer vehicle? How are you telling me me?
You're this
close to me. To drive around?
Yeah, you should, because that's the law.
Bike lane for you on this road, eh?
Go back to Princess and Division. There's a big green bike sign.
Yeah.
This is a shared lane.
Okay, so I can't drive behind you?
No, there's 5 feet behind you, you can't.
5 feet behind you, moron. I can see your whole back wheel.
Exactly.
You're a dumbass. You're dumb.
What's the braking distance for this piece of Yeah.
Look at the lights you're on. Tell a piece of shit. I'm driving an $80,000 truck. Good, and you? It's a 2021, bud. Piece of shit, eh? You're driving
What's the braking distance? What's the braking distance?
Idiot.
What's the braking distance?
I'm allowed to drive on a road, okay?
So am I.
Okay, I'm doing 30. The braking distance is probably about 5 feet. Look at the tires on it.
You know what the braking distance is?
You're an idiot.
No, you're an idiot, buddy.
What the f wrong with you? Just because you put your indicator don't mean you turn. What the f wrong with you? What the f wrong with you, bruv? Are you right?
Huh? Why did you almost hit me, dude?
What do you mean?
You just came into my lane. I got it all on camera.
What you got on camera, buddy?
All right.
Yeah, I know it's all right.
854 MWS.
Hey, John Miles is my name.
What's that?
John Miles is my name.
All right. Bet.
Pardon. Bir şey yapmıyorum. Kardeşim ben sürmüyorum üstüne. Frene bastım durmadı ve sen de şu anda bana tepki veriyorsun. Frene bastım durmadı. Bak bak. Teker orada kaydı. Teker orada kaydı. Ya bunu bu kadar büyütmeye...
You tried running my dad over.
Are you a resident?
Mind your own business, you up your own car.
Why did you attempt to run my dad over?
Got all to you who I go and see. Got nothing to do.
Why did you try to run my dad
again, it's got all
You're
to
on
do.
private property.
It's not private property.
Yes,
it's
it
not
is.
a private road.
That was,
Yeah,
you're on a double
whatever,
yellow line.
whatever.
You tried running my dad over.
Whatever.
Or attempted to.
Whatever.
You were on
Whatever,
private property.
whatever.
Take Poton's number plate in case he comes back.
Yeah,
You're on
whatever.
private property.
Yes. Spit.
Get out my dad's face.
Oh, you dirty bastard.
And you swore in front of my son.
You swore first.
You. See?
You swore in front of me.
You got
You're
corona,
lucky
you
I
dirty.
didn't bust your
Face.
You got a polo for him?
Leave here.
Needs a polo or something.
You tried running my dad over.
Ya, nggak usah pas 5 meter, kaget yang ada lu.
Kalau mau nikung, kasih saya.
Lu yang beloknya aja ya. Lu beloknya gila kali ya.
Belok kabarnya.
Langsung tadi di sono. Emang gua nggak lihat.
Sen ya.
Gua juga ngasih sen. Lu dari kiri ke kanan ya. Lu balik apa? Hah?
Dari jauh.
Lu balik apa? Hah? Lu dari jauh. Gua dari jauh, lu dari kiri ke kanan langsung. Iya, gua ada video. Gua ada video. Lu orang mana? Hah?
Gua bilang.
Tolong.
Jalan lu ngentot.
Nih, weh, lah, lu gila ya? Lu dari kiri ke kanan ya? Lu dari kiri, lu deh, buset. Sini bego. Gokil. Dari kiri ke kanan. Tadi motor.